Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2018 68 plate Jaguar XE R-Sport. Now the R-Sport model is one of the most desirable in the Jaguar XE range. So the R-Sport basically gives you the more aggressive body styling, so you've got a more pronounced and aggressive front and rear bumper. You've got a nice flared side skirt. It comes riding on these fantastic 18-inch alloy wheels. So these alloys, they're a 5-spoke diamond turned alloy wheel with the lovely grey metallic detailing within the centres. The car itself is finished in Caesium blue metallic, which is a very desirable colour, very sought after, but a nice colour indeed. Specification wise, very impressive specification. So we've got front and rear parking sensors, we've got privacy glass to the rear, daytime running lights, we've got headlamp wash for those as well. Coming through to the interior, you'll find a full ebony black part perforated leather. So nice contrasting white stitch on there. The interior doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. No signs of any sort of rips or tears on those. Looking at the driver's bolster, very minimal to no wear. Obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your wear over time. Looking through to the rear, again kept in very nice order, so no signs of any sort of big rips, no discoloration. We've got Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. We've got seating for free. Looking through, we've got a central armrest with 2 cup holders. We've got rear vents, so the rear passengers get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. We've also got a 12-volt power outlet in the back there, so ideal if you've got children, they can charge their phones as you're driving along. Coming through to the driver's side, we've got 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, obviously electric mirrors, central locking, and then just jumping inside. I'll bring the seat back so we can get a better view of the cockpit. So inside, fantastic fit and finish. We've got a lot of bright silver detailing all throughout. We've got this nice gloss black panel which runs all the way through the dashboard and the center console. So the steering wheel itself is leather upholstered. You've got nice ribs on there, so it feels fantastic in the hand. Obviously this vehicle is coupled with the silky smooth 8-speed automatic box. So with that you also get the flappy paddles on the steering wheel which follow the wheel as you turn it. So that just allows you to drive the car manually if you choose to do so. You've also got a sport mode on the gearbox, so you just twizzle it all the way into S. Now on the steering wheel itself, we've got our cruise control and speed limiter, we've got our voice command, Bluetooth phone, all of our volume and media controls. And for the age of the car, this is a low mileage example, so it's only covered 22,181 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. And specification wise, the R-Sports come very well specified. So we've got automatic lights and automatic wipers. Now on this one, which is a nice option to have, we've got the bigger widescreen infotainment system on this one. So clicking through, we've got our satellite navigation. So this is the newest style of infotainment screen. So this is what you'd find in all the newer Land Rover Jaguar products. You've got your DAB radio, so it's a full extended DAB, so you've got all the channels. You've also got your Bluetooth phone on there as well. Flicking through, we've got our eco data cameras, so this one does have a reversing camera just there. Clicking back through, we've got our in control applications, we've got our web browser, valet mode, contacts, live, voice, heated front seats, which mine's on at the moment, keeping me nice and toasty warm. And then flicking through once again, you've also got your Bluetooth settings and your low friction launch if you were to ever get stuck into a mud rut, I should say. Coming through, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got a heated front screen, all the drive select for the vehicle, so we've got dynamic, normal, eco and all terrain. electric parking brake, central cup holders. We've got a nice central armrest, and within there you'll find all your in-control application display panel. So you've got your 2 USBs, you've got a micro SIM card input, so you can get a duplicate card of the one that's in your phone, put it into there, and you can answer phone calls through the car without needing your phone. You've also got a 12-volt power outlet in there. But the car itself is in nice order throughout. I'd say it's truly been cherished by the previous owner. The vehicle is supplied with both keys, full HPI clear report. We've also got the locking wheel nut for this one. So everything which was supplied with this car from brand new is still with the car there today. But a nice vehicle. If you'd like any further information on the car, if you'd like anything further, so a personalised video, more images, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch and we'll happily book you in. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do call up before you travel down. We'll happily book you in. On sales, there's myself, Dominic, there's also my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you for watching the video. I always recommend having a look at our reviews on Auto Trader. We're a 5-star dealer with over 500 5-star reviews from verified buyers. If you go through to our Facebook page, you'll notice the level of stock that we have here at Alpha Motors. You'll see happy customers who've travelled the distance to collect their vehicles, and you'll also see the numerous awards that we've won over the years. So again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.